ever wished you could scale your trading strategies like a professional, running multiple algorithms at once, managing complex option setups and making smart data-driven decisions without writing a single line of code? Well, QuantMan Premium Plan is built exactly for that. Welcome back to our QuantMan channel. If you are already experienced what does the basic plan can do, get ready to step into the big league. The premium plan is crafted for our professional traders who want advanced control, higher capacity and smarter automation all in a powerful platform. Before we begin, it is important to know that you will unlock all the benefits of the basic plan along with the free webinars, bootcamps and priority call supports. Now let's explore the exclusive features that makes QuantMan Premium Plan the ultimate choice for serious traders. First, expanded strategy deployment. The premium plan gives you 10 deployment credits, allowing you to run up to 10 distinct automated strategies simultaneously in the live market. This is a major step from the basic plan, designed for the traders who can manage diversified systems or multiple instruments at once. Next, the superior backtesting capacity. Testing is the foundation of every great strategy and the premium plans gives you the resources to do it all. This means you can backtest complex strategies over multiple years of historical data, evaluate performance across different market conditions and fine-tune your logic for higher consistency before going live. Now let's move to one of the most powerful and flexible tools, adjustments. The adjustment feature in QuantMan lets you add additional rules and conditions that work in sync with your base leg. You can use it to add new leg, close existing ones or move to cost all dynamically linked to the original strategy logic. You can set conditions like number of minutes from entry where a second leg triggers after a defined time from the first leg's execution, or leg loss percentage or leg profit percentage, which allows you to automatically react when a trade hits a specific loss or profit threshold. Advanced controls like leg entry time, duration after entry, duration after exit and the leg already entered or exited make your strategies time aware and event driven. You can define different conditions based on number of stop loss trials or already moved to cost, ensuring every position is intelligently managed. In short, adjustments gives you the complete flexibility to automate how, when and why your trades adapt in real market. Following is that multi-instruments, built for traders who think beyond single instrument. The multiple instrument feature lets you combine up to 6 instruments, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty or even custom mixes within a single strategy. Also, you can assign shared or individual entry conditions to each instrument, enabling greater flexibility in executions. QuantMan's engine continuously monitors all the instruments in the real time and automatically triggers trades on 1 or 3 instruments simultaneously when the conditions are met. This helps you to capture the opportunities across markets with precision and efficiency. Next, it is multiple cases. This feature allows you to structure multiple strategies within a single run, different rule-based scenarios within a same setup. Each case can represent a distinct trading conditions or event. For example, a bullish case, bearish case and a non-directional setup. QuantMan executes these cases, ensuring that your strategy dynamically adapts as conditions evolve. Instead of building multiple separate strategies, you can run all your logic under one roof, making your setup cleaner, more efficient and easier to maintain. Coming up is quick adjustments. It is like a simplified version of full adjustment tool, designed for accessing frequently used adjustment settings in an efficient and faster manner. Instead of creating a full adjustments rules, you can set a simple conditions such as exited in profit or exited in loss, and you can define what should happen next in 2 clicks. You can also decide when to execute the actions, either immediately or after few seconds. This allows you to make quick rule-based reactions during live tradings without interrupting your strategy. Next, let's look at calendar spread automation. With calendar spread automation, you can build strategies that involve 2 expiries. Example, selling near-term options while buying far-term options. This feature handles execution timing, leg linking and expiry alignment seamlessly. It's ideal for the traders who deploy strategies involving different multiple expiries and want them automated end-to-end without manually tracking the expiry conditions. In volatile markets, sudden spikes can cause premature stop-loss hits, even when the trend quickly reverses. QuantMan spike protection feature adds smart delay mechanism to prevent hits. If the price briefly moves beyond your stop loss, the system waits for a configured delay period before taking the action. If the price stays beyond the stop loss for the duration, the position is exited. But if bounces back within the delay window, the exit is ignored, saving your trade from the unnecessary losses. This intelligent delay helps filter out false spikes and ensures stop loss triggers only when the move is truly sustained, keeping your strategy more stable and efficient during high volatility. Finally, strike multiplier. Precision in strike selection can make or break a strategy. The strike multiplier feature lets you define consistent strike intervals for your trades. Say your logic calculates a strike at 24 to 50. You can set it automatically round off to the market nearest 100 points, trading only at 24,200 or 24,300. This is not only keeps your strategy structured but also ensures better alignment. Plan details. Now let's take a look at the premium plan details. The QuantMan Premium Plan starts at 3,300 per month or 2,417 per month when selected annually with added savings. Each subscription includes 10 live strategy deployments, 1,000 backtest credits, and full access to all advanced automation features. If you are ready to stop beyond the basics and experience the full power of automation, the QuantMan Premium Plan is your gateway. Visit quantman.in and explore the premium plan today. Start building, testing, and deploy advanced strategies with confidence. Hope this video find useful for you. For more such videos and updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Trade smart, trade confident and take your algo journey to the next one only with QuantMan.